Hello, my name is Tashila Williams Townsend. I'm a career counselor in the University Career Center here at Auburn University. And so what we're going to do today is we're actually going to look at a short tutorial on how to navigate GoinGlobal, which is a really good resource for students looking for different internships and different jobs, but if they're actually looking for that kind of overseas or in different countries. Now what you see here is that I do have Handshake pulled up. You can actually access GoinGlobal through Handshake, and as long as you go through Handshake, the resource is free for you to use. All right, so once we get to Handshake, and this is the home screen of Handshake, we're going to click on resources here, okay? And with resources, we're going to be able to look here and we're going to be able to find GoinGlobal. Okay, of course, we're going to visit GoinGlobal, you'll set up your account, everything like that. Alrighty. Now, what we're going to look at, what they offer are career guides. They offer kind of a job search, an internship search, a H-1B visa information based off of your location, all right, and then an employer directory search, all right. So just quickly, of course, when we look over here to the right, of course, you can create your own account here, all right. And then it kind of pretty much tells you how to use GoinGlobal, all right? So they do offer an intro video, different trainings, different webinars, and of course, different tutorials that you can also look up, okay? You can also look up different jobs, all right? And you can, again, choose between a job or internship search. So just quickly, we're going to just look for internships, and let's say that we're looking for internships in, I don't know, let's just say engineering. And let's choose Egypt as a country. We don't really know a city. And let's just search, okay? So it's able to pull up all of the available internships there in Egypt for me, okay? And then I'm able to go with H-1B visa information, and I'm able to search an occupation, all right, or by company and actually see, okay? Let's go back one. Right, and we can just actually search it like this. All right, and then it gives me all of the different companies that will offer H-1B visas there. Okay, alrighty, so that's just a quick overview there. All right, we're going to go back out here to home. Okay, now one of the fun things that I also like about GoinGlobal is that it offers career guides, but not only within the career guides, but they all actually offer like city guides, okay? And so let's kind of look at some of those. So if we're wanting country career guides and we're wanting to know what it's like to live in Brazil, all right, and kind of work in Brazil, we can actually look, all right, and it tells us how to find a job in Brazil and goes over all of the different resources there, the different nonprofits, the different internships that we can choose from, different hiring opportunities, okay, so the top companies that are kind of hiring within this company or within this country, excuse me, all right, how to get the job, okay, so how they would prefer you to format your resume, your cover letters, your curriculum vitas, okay, interview advice that they give, okay, work permits and visas that may be needed also, okay. But what I also like is that they offer professional and networking experiences also, okay? So getting involved with professional associations, different corporate and trade groups that you can kind of join, and also how to do individual networking, okay? Now, the fun thing about this is that they actually give living information also, so kind of like the cost of living, right? So before we move anywhere, it's definitely good to know the cost of living, how's housing gonna look, what is transportation going to look like, kind of what about the cultural advice, right? Their daily life, communication, okay? How to act like a local, all right? And then, of course, they give general resources such as embassy listings, different apps, and other resources that you can use also, okay? So definitely take advantage of that, all right? Now, we can also look at global city guides. So if there is a specific city that you are looking to kind of move to, or kind of that you've kind of dreamed of having an internship or kind of working in, you're more than welcome to look it up by the city also. So if we were looking in Canada and we wanted to know what it was like to kind kind of work in Toronto, okay? Again, they're offering you the information on how to find a job in this area, okay? The different online job sites to use, the hiring opportunities, what top companies are going to be hiring, okay? How to get the job, again, introduction to resumes, cover letters, different samples that they would want you to have and how they would want you to format your marketing material, okay? And then, of course, we have professional and personal networking, all right? And then living there. Again, the introduction, the cost of living, daily life communication, commuting, everything like that, okay? So again, really good website, very good website to use if you have interest in living in another country or living overseas or kind of doing your internship abroad or anything like that, just kind of where you want to expand just your cultural knowledge, or if you are trying to see what companies actually take H-1B visas. Again, short tutorial on just the basics of how to use GoinGlobal. Definitely use this as a really good resource to look for those internships and just enhance the search for different internships and different jobs. Thank you.